The U.S. Navy is building a new aircraft carrier called the Ford class. The project has had many problems and is very expensive, around $13 billion. China is accused of stealing secret information about the project. This happened in 2015, according to the U.S. Navy. Chinese hackers got into a U.S. Navy contractor's computer system. They stole sensitive information about the carrier's design and abilities. The hackers were from the Chinese military's cyber unit, PLA Unit 61398. This theft may have helped China build its own aircraft carriers. The Ford-class carrier is one of the most advanced warships in the world. It has cutting-edge technology like electromagnetic catapults and advanced radar. The carrier will have a crew of over 4,000 sailors and aviators. It will carry F-35C fighter jets and other advanced aircraft. The U.S. Navy will use the Ford-class carrier in the Asia-Pacific region. China has been building up its navy with advanced warships and submarines. The breach shows that U.S. military contractors are vulnerable to cyber attacks. The incident raises concerns about the security of sensitive military information. China denies any involvement in the breach. The U.S. Navy hasn't confirmed the details of the breach. The hackers used a phishing email to get into the contractor's system. The breach shows the need for better cybersecurity in the defense industry. The U.S. government is criticized for not doing enough to prevent cyber attacks. The incident highlights the need for more investment in cybersecurity. The U.S. Navy has improved its cybersecurity measures in response to the breach. The measures include better security protocols for contractors and suppliers. The breach raises concerns about the security of other U.S. military projects. The incident sparks fears that other sensitive information may have been compromised. The U.S. government hasn't confirmed the extent of the breach. Sources say the breach may be more extensive than initially thought. The breach highlights the ongoing cyber warfare between the U.S. and China. The two countries have been engaged in a cyber arms race for years. The U.S. accuses China of widespread cyber espionage. China denies the allegations and accuses the U.S. of hypocrisy. The incident highlights the need for international cooperation on cybersecurity. The U.S. and China must work together to establish norms for responsible behavior in cyberspace. This will help prevent future cyber attacks and breaches. The U.S. Navy is taking steps to improve its cybersecurity. The Navy is working with its contractors to ensure the security of sensitive information. The breach is a reminder that cybersecurity is an ongoing challenge. The U.S. government must do more to prevent cyber attacks. The incident highlights the need for greater cooperation between nations on cyber.